Evening students. So today I am going to discuss about the chapter. Yesterday I told you about selecting a word, how to select a word, that is editing. What are the things are there in editing? Selecting a word, selecting a sentence, selecting a paragraph, selecting a block of text, selecting a line, selecting an entire document. So click in the selection area, triple click, or hit the Control A, then it will be entire documents will be selected. Click and drag or click in the selection to the left to the line. To select a line you have to click and drag. Click a block of text, click and drag or click to the left to the first word and press down shift. Here to do editing you have to just click and drag it. So these are the different type of editing that are present here. Cut, copy, paste. You can cut it from a particular portion, you can copy it and paste it in somewhere, and you see often sometimes you need to move the text from one location in a document to another or different application. In the case you will perform a cut paste. It reproduce a specific part of a document and place where you will perform a copy paste. To cut text, select the text you want to move. To cut it, which part you want to cut, you have to select. Click on the cut icon located at the home tab in the clipboard. To copy, just select all and click the option copy. So this all you are doing in computer. This is just revision, cut, copy, paste. Next page is for deleting. Deleting text you can click from, after selecting you can press from the from the keyboard delete option, or you can just click in the mouse and there delete option will be there. So formatting, documents formatting refers to the way a document is laid out on the page, the way it looks and it visually organized, and it addresses things like font selection, font size, presentation like bold, italic, spatial, margin, alignment, column, identification, list. Word has two basic type of Word document: formatting style, character or font formatting. Includes selecting a font size, bold or italic, and so on, and paragraph style, which apply to minimum of a entire paragraph and contain paragraph formatting alignment. So this is formatting a document. How to format a document? In the Word you already got different type of sizes are there. You can make smaller and bigger, you can color it, you can give different type of style in your writing. Formatting text, you can format the text. To create and design effective document you need to know how to format the text. In addition, making your document more appealing, formatted text can draw readers' attention to parts document help communicate your message. Formatting, after formatting the text, the readers can get attracted when you color it or when you can make little, see in this page, deleting text, little bold, formatting a document. When you see the page, you can read formatting text, formatting a document, deleting text are visible. So this way it can attract you all. You can just read it, and these all are same size letters. You cannot simply see the page and you cannot read it. You have to go line by line for reading it. So this formatting helps to attract the user to communicate your message. To format font style, select the text you want to modify. Left click the drop down arrow next to the font style box on the home tab. So in the home tab you will get the arrow button. In the font style box it will be available. In the font style you have seen different Algebra, then Alberian, Arial Black, these all are there. You can give the style. So this is called font style. So this is the font style. Font color, you can see different type of colors will be present in the home tab. So this way you can see different types of colors. You have already got it from class 6. I am teaching you Word. So this is just a revision. You can see different types of color. To use bold, italic and underline, select the text you want to modify. Click on the bold, italic or underline command in the font. If you want to make the text bold, you can go to this one B. If you want to make italic, then this I. If you underline, then underline option, this part you have to click. If square 5 square you have to give, then x square. If 5 to the base 2 you are doing in suppose binary conversion, you can use this one, x base 2. So these all are different type of bold, italic and underline option that you can do, modify or format your text. Next, to change the text case, select the text you want to modify. You want to modify which text you want to modify, you have to first select it. Then select the change case command in the front group. On the home tab, select one of the case option from the list. Paragraph formatting. You can format a paragraph. Here you can format the text. About text formatting I am telling you. Here paragraph formatting also same. The full paragraph you want to format. So in the word paragraph means any amount of text. Amount of text means you can see 2 or 3 lines of a text. Paragraph marks which is inserted into document. Each time you press enter key, you can show a hide the paragraph mark by clicking show hide button on the standard toolbar. When you format a paragraph, you actually format a block of text and inserted object that is followed by paragraph mark. This paragraph mark store all formatting. You can see this paragraph option will be there, paragraph mark will be there. This is the paragraph mark and these are the alignment. So which way you can represent your text, you can, this is left alignment, this is right alignment, this is center alignment, and this is what, this is just alignment. You can see this is center alignment, left, right, and this is the simple line. You can just full page it will be written like this. So examples of format you can apply: alignment, tabs, line spacing, paragraph spacing. If you want to give here line spacing, paragraph spacing also you can give. Paragraph spacing is there in the paragraph box. This is the paragraph box you can give here. In identification, borders and setting, bullets and numbering. To write the bullets and numbering you can write from here. These are the bullets and numbering you are giving, or you can give an arrow sign like this. When to give an arrow sign, these are the arrow sign you are giving to start a line. Bullets, these are the bullets, or star mark it will be there. Numbering 1 2 3 4. So these all are called bullets and numberings. Points to be noted while formatting a paragraph. Only selected paragraph are affected, okay, by the format you specify the paragraph in Word. You can change the formatting of a paragraph. To do this, you need to select the specific paragraph and then apply the necessary format. Same as formatting line, text formatting. First you have to select the text. Here also you have to select the paragraph. You do not have to select all the text in the paragraph before you can format it. Simply position the insertion point anywhere in the paragraph or selecting any amount of text, the paragraph will suffice. Only position the insertion point in the paragraph or selecting any document, amount of text in it, you can format you apply will be affect the entire paragraph. So first you have to just select the paragraph, then you can apply the formatting tabs. So page number this, so up to this much, text alignment up to paragraph formatting finish. Text alignment will be your homework, just you read it, okay, text alignment. And tomorrow I'll teach you, live class will be there. Since this is the revision chapter, I am giving you the video. When there will be Zoom class, you will clear your doubts, okay. So thank you and have a nice day.